Hello and welcome to Minute to Master, where you can master a skill in 60 seconds or less. Today's topic is creating checklists in Google Keep. So let's get started. Checklists are great for people who like to check things and list things, and the great thing is that Google Keep makes it so easy to do both. There are two ways to go about this. The first way is to use a list that's already been created as a note. So for example, you have school supplies. I want to make this note into a checklist. So I just go down to the three little dots, click on that, and then click on Show Text Boxes. And there you have it. You have a perfect checklist. The other way to do this is to make this list from scratch. So at the very top where it says take a note, click on the little check icon where it says new list, give this a title such as groceries, and start writing down your list. So maybe bananas, eggs, and oh yeah, coffee. Some items will populate on their own, which is great. Now just click anywhere outside of the screen, and there you have it. There's your checklist.